Schindler 321A. But the chimes have been upgraded as usual. Exterior indicator screwed up. Now both the arrows lighting up dimly. Before the indicator just messed up. It showed 3 when it was on 3 or 4. Fans on, the cabinets open, so that's nice. Nice shutdown. Go up to 3. And here you are. Certificate. I think this is owned by Rubinoff. Yeah, it is. Installed in 2009. I thought this was like 1998. Didn't think it was that good. The basic film still kept. Not common for 220. It's kind of tin candy too. COVID signs in the elevator. Like occupancy. Business signs, no other ones. Go back to 1. And the fan doesn't seem to be turning back on. Oh, there we go. It lit up before, but it didn't this time. The chimes were up. Okay, now the indicator's working. Let's see if it goes anywhere. There goes, and it can get maybe it parks or something.